It's Texas Snowpocalypse 2021 update coming to you. We're day 3 into the snowy blizzard. It's like 8 at night on the 16th, Tuesday. It's Tuesday, it's awful here. So this was Sunday morning. We were getting some snow. We were pretty excited about that. We decided that we were gonna make a snowman with the kids, throw a couple snowballs at each other, and just enjoy the rarity that snow is in Texas. Nick decided he was gonna enjoy that rarity as well by just absolutely shredding the Bronco. You hear that chirping noise right there? It's actually his power steering pump. It is completely shot from the parallel parking challenge. We're gonna blame Zach for that one. He was just out there ripping it, man. Those 35s were eating it up. He was having a great time. If you look inside there, he is just swatting bees in that thing, fighting his steering. Well, the shit's just a-pouring down here, boys. It is not good. This is, there you go, that's the driveway. So you can see kind of how thick it is. I drove my truck earlier, so some of it's falling off of there. But, like, I literally just got back 15 minutes ago. Windshield's already covered. Oh, man. Oh, it's just a blizzardy fucking mess out here. The snow was coming down so heavy. I had never seen anything like this in Texas. So this was day 2 of the snowpocalypse, as we're calling it. And we'd woke up at 7 a.m. with no power.
Hey, look out for
we thought we were going to try to wait it out. We were thinking maybe, they'd get the power back going or whatever in the middle of the night or something. So we ended up staying the night at the house with no power. It got down to about 40 degrees at its lowest that I measured while we were there. Hold on, we gotta get a running start. We'll back up. Alright. Nope. Trying to build momentum. As you can see, I'm doing about 80. Just trying to get up. Alright, unintentional shitties that we're whipping here. Oh, we are spinning out. Nice. Alright, now we're back straight on the road. What the fuck are you jogging for? Go inside. Okay, this is not gonna be fun. We got bro noser coming up. We gotta make a right turn. Yeah. I want the ambulance. No, it's okay. Oh, there's a semi coming. All right, level out. Don't be suspicious. So this was actually day 3. We had woke up after sleeping in 40-degree weather inside the house, all bundled up. Realized that we just couldn't do that anymore. So we made the decision to go to my mom's. She lives a little bit further east. Went to her house because she supposedly had electricity. Pretty sure she just lied to us to get us to come over there and help. My stepdad was out of town, so I had to yank the generator out and get that all hooked up. And that's what you're about to see here in these next scenes when we got there that evening. It's Texas Snowpocalypse 2021 update coming to you. We're day 3 into the snowy blizzard. It's like 8 at night on the 17th, 16th, Tuesday. It's Tuesday, it's awful here. We're generated up. Hope we make it through the night. We got plenty of fuel and food to make it for a couple of weeks. But my little toes are cold. We're getting chooched up. We got that heater there. We got some utilitarian lights. That thing, that goes to never and beyond. So does that one. This is just being powered right off the couch. Got the propane heater inside just to keep it warm. Follow this in here. Boom! We got a heater for the kids. Get warm?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. I don't know what the temperature is outside, but it is good degree in here. Alright, so it's Wednesday, day 4 of the Texas snowpocalypse. Things getting pretty rough out here. It's snowing again. All the roads packed down. We went through a tank of gas last night. Looks like a tank's getting us about 12 hours on the generator, but we only have like a tank and a half left, which is not good because the roads are in no condition to drive on. We also discovered an issue this morning. I think the reason we're not getting water is because it busted. It's a fucking skating rink back there. I don't know if that is stuff melting out from under the house and around the house. It shouldn't be because it's still pretty fucking cold right here. Or if that is legitimately a busted water line. And if it is, we're pretty close to fucked. So that actually turned out to be a busted water line. That was the main line going into my mom's house. It had busted Tuesday afternoon, but we thought that the lines were just freezing up. They were having water problems. Here's a badass generator that we had used. The thing was pretty fucking sick. This was a trolley system we used to haul some waters over from the shop. We had to pull it out the front and come all the way around there, and that was exhausting, but me and that fella there walking, so we got to take care of. They're saying that our power's back on everywhere on our Ring doorbell and our alarm and stuff like that. Everything's telling us that it's all back active. Should be all right. We're gonna head over there and find out. Hopefully we don't get there and it's still 30 degrees inside the house and we don't have power, because that would suck. Whew. This is rough stuff right now. I have noticed one common theme about Texas. All of the Mexican food places are open when it's snowy. They know it's important.
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang. Liddy. There's a sweet snow jump.
Oh gosh, slow down.
Jump a van. I've never seen a snowplow in Texas, but here it is. Just out here shredding the beef, bro. Mason, look out your window. It's a snowplow. So we actually ended up getting back home and our power was off. And that was very unfortunate because we had to spend most of the night with the power off all the way until about 2 a.m. That's when it kicked back on and started heating the house up again. Just gotta go. You just gotta get on in there.
If I hit your cars, don't
Yeah, none of them have insurance. And this is where I had actually gone to go pick up my friend Brandon because he was stuck without water or electricity a little bit further down. So I had to go grab him up the street real quick and realized how dangerous the situation was. Oh shit, I shouldn't have stopped. Once we realized it was dangerous, we decided to do dangerous things. So while we were struggling, Nick was out there having the time of his life. He apparently stole some old man's Cadillac, and he was out there just giving it the beans in that same lot that he was in with the Bronco. Like I said, he was pretty lucky to have a spot like this so close where nobody really fucked with him. So he could go out and actually enjoy it in a pretty safe environment there. But he sent me a video that had to be 30 minutes long of him out here in what I believe is his father-in-law's Cadillac. And the whole time they're kind of commentating it, but they're saying some stuff I can't really put in the video, so we'll just leave them out, and you can only imagine what a couple old men are talking about while Nick's out there giving it hell.
Hey everyone, Nick from Definitely Not Mechanics. Well, with this whole snow thing, it's been kind of a hell of a time. Bronco's been a champ. It's helped out quite a bit. Four-wheel drive, everything. It's just been a workhorse. We lost power for about 2.5 days, and you kind of just forget how to live. It was weird. Luckily, I'm a planner, so I was prepared. I had a bunch of battery packs charged up, so I had plenty of power to run things. Just no internet, kind of hung out. Spent a lot of time with my family, which was nice, but man, if you look, it's all starting to melt now. I found probably the snowiest spot to park right now, but yeah, the sun's coming back out. In a week, oh my goodness, this white balance, there we go. In a week, it's gonna be about 70 degrees, which is nuts. We're gonna go from 1 degree temperatures to 70. So God bless Texas. DefinitelyNotMechanics.com. Oh, and here's some clips of me doing donuts in the Bronco. I'm gonna see if I can get one more going. I'm gonna set my camera up right now, but yeah, enjoy these clips. I also borrowed my father-in-law's Cadillac and was trying to figure out how to spin that boy around. So, yep, enjoy this one.
Just a sight I never thought I would see in Texas is people having a snow shovel. That's just the wildest thing to me. We are day 5.5, day 6 into the snowpocalypse. I've seen some people coin this SNOVID-21. That's kind of cute. We're Friday. That's what day we're at, I think. Survive out on these fucking roads. Woo! Stupid. Oh, yep. Watch out, Charin. I'm driving crazy. Don't be going down those sleds while I'm driving crazy. Still got some snow over here. Drift on into the drive-thru here. We're gonna get some barbecue because my Texas hurts, and I've got to repair it with barbecue. Thanks for watching this episode of Definitely. Fuck, I can't see anything. Snow's really bright. Yes, I'm wearing a robe in the drive-thru. Just trying to stay warm, fam. Thanks for watching this video of Definitely Not Mechanics. This isn't our normal content. If you're new to the channel, check out the rest of it. It's all car stuff. We build shitty stuff. It's great. We have a good time, and everybody likes to watch it. If you want to show some support for the channel, go check out our merch store, which is definitelyNotMechanics.com. And now I'm stuck in the drive-thru. Oh my God. Let me figure this out. Thanks for watching, guys. Later. Oh, that had a thump to it, and it filled my shoe.
You're lucky I didn't pack it. I got a little high. You did that one too hard. You did that on purpose.
I didn't know, man. You just gotta pack it up and nail one of your kids with it. Oh no!